Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Brickmaster Nate, and today I have an unboxing video of the Lego Overwatch Hanzo vs Genji set. This set was an alright price. It was $20, and the price to parts ratio for this set was 10 cents per piece, and that's the base price. I actually got this set on a deal for $10 instead, $20. Let's look at this box now. So here's Genji, my favorite character in the game. Here's Hanzo and the security guard. He's not a playable character in the game, but still included in the set. Here's the CGI on the back. Looks really nice. Okay, let's open the box. Okay. Alright. Here are instructions. It's ripped up top already. And here's one of the bags. Another bag. And another bag. One more smaller bag. And stickers. Alright, that's it. Let's get to the speed build. So this set came with 3 different minifigures. First, here's Hanzo. He comes with his blue bow and arrow here. It's very detailed. And here you can see the arrow is kind of pulled back. And he also has his golden headband here, or the straps coming out of it. But I might take this piece out later just because it looks so big and unnecessary, and the hole is so small that you can barely even see it, so I'll probably just take that out later. Here is the security guard with his gun. I'm surprised that Lego actually gave him this realistic looking gun here, because usually they would just have one of those other fake guns. But here's his phone. It's blue, which is a really nice color here, and it has pink apps, it looks like there, and black outside. Here's my favorite character, Genji. So he has his dragon blade here in his back, like that. And here is his helmet. It looks very nice. Has a lot of details as well. And it has this giant strap as well. Probably gonna take that out too. And it came with 2 ninja stars here. And another set here, but I just didn't take those out yet. And his chest piece has all these robot looking parts. And the blade fits in there really nicely. Now let's take a look at the set. Down here we have this cool sword display here. So this sword display is holding one sword, and then it looks like a sword cover, and it uses these arm pieces to hold them in place. And these arm pieces are good to have for my own custom builds. And I think it came with a couple extras too. So let's put this back. Here's a typical silver sword that I could also put in here if I felt like. Then you would have two swords. But I don't think I'll do that. Let's put this sword back. Up here at the top, the arc, it was a really cool building technique to put it up there. I'll show you up here. This piece here, this circle 2x2, has a sticker on it to add that extra detail. So first, there's these 1x1 with claws. Then one of these Technic pieces, the T-joint with the axle hole, angled down like that. And then for the actual arc itself, it uses 3 different pieces to make this brick on the bottom, the back. And the first one is longer than the other 2, but it has this 1x1 with the rod on the bottom. And then it's holding the smaller ones in place using this rounded 2x2. And then it has a 1x1 on the end. And then this piece, the arc, just goes right in that axle hole back there. In each little side, there's a lantern hanging, and it's loose because it's holding in by just this one blue Technic pin. And this Technic pin is held in by this 2x2 with the pinhole. And it goes right down here. And here we have the bandages or med kit, heals you. And we have this damaged looking stairs or other wooden object. They're different here. This one is missing, and then on the other side, the third one is missing instead of the second. And this is a very new piece for me. It's a 2x2 tile shooter. You push on this piece back here. Oh, that fired very strong. And that's why it comes with an extra. And it doesn't say this in the instructions to put on the back, but I still just choose to put it there because it fits. And there's another green one here. And here are some new lanterns or candles or something here. Comes with really cool pieces. Put those back. And this banner here has this really big sticker. And I can't tell what it says, but it probably says something in a different language. Oh, and this tile back here too. It's a really nice one. It's hidden away, and I probably wouldn't recognize it if I didn't build this set. So this is actually an Overwatch tile. It's a 1x1 with the print on it. Silver is the piece is silver, and it has the Overwatch logo on it. And then I'm glad it comes with an extra. So now I have 2 of those. I guess it's like a spray, like that the characters use in the game. And it has hinges here to keep these 2 in place. That's going to be it for today's video. I really enjoyed this set and its build process. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like and subscribe to see more content like this. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you are a fan of Overwatch and what you want to see me unbox next. Thanks for watching. Bye.